Playing with your food. Most parents tell their children not to play with their food. But a group of musicians in Austria obviously didn't listen. The Vienna Vegetable Orchestra, which was founded in 1998, uses the strangest musical instruments. It uses fresh vegetables to make music. They choose only the freshest vegetables from local markets for their instruments. They are fresh instruments, made just an hour before the show. The freshest vegetables produce the best sound. It is not the same with all vegetables. For example, plastic-packed vegetables do not make good instruments. Each vegetable can be used in different ways. Carrots are made into flutes, leeks into violins, and pumpkins into bass drums. They often combine different vegetables together to create other instruments. For example, they can make a trumpet by using a cucumber for the body, a carrot for the mouthpiece, and a pepper for the trumpet's bell. The sound of each instrument depends on the quality of the vegetables and the temperature on stage. The sounds these musical instruments make are unusual and unique. The orchestra is always working on developing new instruments and even more interesting sounds. But the musical instruments are not the only thing that is unique about this orchestra. The people who play the instruments are not all musicians either. They have different artistic backgrounds. So there are writers, architects, designers, visual artists, and musicians all playing together to make beautiful music. The orchestra plays everything from classical music to electronic music. They play about 20 to 30 concerts a year. This one-of-a-kind musical group is also friendly towards the environment. You see, all the instruments are biodegradable. At the end of each performance, the vegetables are made into a delicious soup for the audience to eat. The whole experience is something that all your senses can enjoy.